This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. No song. Good morning. Let me just fix that. Properties, browse, music. That's funny. Lo-fi, open, 29 songs. Okay. And camera Discord. There we go. No. 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 What is that spot? There's a spot on my camera. I don't know. Okay, so let's get started. Let's start with the 15-minute chart. Let's open up our algos. Let's get them trading. So gold, we wanted to trade edit strategy. It's true I was going to make a change, but no time for that really. It's 9:19. I wanted to change the code. Template, load, Renko 5 lot. Let's see. 9:36. Is this gold? MGC? Yeah, you can start earlier. 08 26 a.m. to 10:46 a.m. I don't think we're using an offset. Template, save. Let's call this gold morning. Save. Okay. Okay, I mean, it's on Sim 102, so I don't really care if it makes a mistake. Right now, we are below VWAP, so it should have been short. Yes, it is. It's 5 short. So you know what we're going to do? We're going to synchronize edit strategy just to be in sync. There we go. Took the 5 short at a much worse price, but doesn't matter. And now let's get to trade copiers in the wrong place. Let's get the Renko one running for NQ. NQ, what do I got to do? Edit strategy. 5. Template. Load. Looks good. Let's call it template. Save. MNQ morning. Save. Okay. Sim 101. Okay, ready to go. NQ is going to start trading at 9:36. We should reset the accounts. No. Wouldn't that be the intelligent thing to do? Edit account. Reset. Yes. Okay. Edit account. Reset. Yes. Okay. At least that way we know how it did today. Fish in Florida. Good morning, sun. Oh, the sunshine. Good morning, sunshine. Is that what that means? Good morning, sunshine. What are my rules for today? Getting organized, setting up my. I thought I had my accounts taken from yesterday, but my accounts are still live. Excellent. Good job. Happy to hear that. I take a swig of coffee to that. I'll be with you here for the majority of the day. Sounds good. Love and appreciate the company. Streaming alone is very depressing. Actually, it's hard to make conversation. I have two questions for you, but whenever we have a long day. Let me get my strategies up. Okay, you have two questions, Mario. I'll try to have two answers for you. Is that a deal? This is gold. Gold morning. Load. Sim 102. We want to synchronize and submit. Okay. Boop. And NQ. I hope it's right, but we'll check it. This is still early on in the testing phase of these strategies. Renko, template, load, MNQ, morning, load, Sim 101, enabled. Okay, so we're good. How do you put your stop loss in and your take profit? Stop loss. Hey, good morning, Omnius. Stop loss. How do I put in my stop loss? I don't put in a stop loss. I have it mental, and it causes me to. Hey, OFT. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. It causes me sometimes to miss it because I get stubborn and I want it to come back, and that's a bad habit. I'm working on that. I'm a lot better at it, respecting my stops. I don't put one in. See you later. Yeah, take care, OFT. I'll be in your stream. I'll check in a bit, see how things are going. Good luck to you too. It's good that you came in to remind me to rotate my accounts, get that set up. Tradeovate wise. Oh, you mean the daily loss limit? If that's what you're talking about. I have a video on that actually, very clear. Let me see if I can get that up for you. It might not be clearly labeled, unfortunately for me. Videos. No, just stop. Oh, okay. I thought you meant the PDLL. Just in Tradeovate. Oof. I think you right click on the chart. If not, then you drag down your order. It's one of those two. Or you left click. You just click on the chart. I'm not a big Tradeovate user. I prefer Ninja. But I know definitely you can put them in. And I know definitely I had been putting them in when I was using Tradeovate. Because I was forgetting them. And then I would get notices that they closed my trade at 4:15 because you forgot your orders in. What am I looking at? 9:26. Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart, see where we are. Oh, look at that. I wonder if Bama's around. We took out the Asia session low and we took out the Asia session high. Yes, we did. Which means there's an 80% chance we will be taking out the Asia session low sometime during the US session. An excellent example to keep following. Perfect example to follow exactly today. Already made 2,000. Oh, wow. Hey, cool. Took a trade there, Sim. Okay, cool. Small window. Yeah, oh, yeah, we entered poorly. Yeah, 220. Hold on, it's 10, it's 100. Still should have been $100, I guess, slippage again. Well, we have an expression that's motivated and inspired from butter stunts when someone does well, and we say, oh yeah. I thought yesterday I'd reached my daily drawdown, but I didn't. Usually it's obvious. Usually you're unable to trade. Okay, cool. Take it slow. It's always good advice. Slow, slowish. It's not a race. Oh, yeah? That sucks. We have news at 10 o'clock. Yeah, I know. I know that's why I'm a bigger fan of I'm a bigger fan of the 50K accounts. Okay, let me set up my trade copier. Let me focus here. Let's start with this one. That's the leader. MNQ. And the follower. Okay. Start with a 2-lot because there's always a problem. Let's see what we can do. 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Let's see if we can get a better price here on the entry. No, it went way too fast. Wow. 6,000 people. That's huge. That's too bad I missed the entry on this trade. Let me try and still get a better price. 81, 88. 88, 88. Let me see if I can get in around 84. 95. Wow, we're rocketing higher. Is this the fake move before the real move? How'd you put together a group of 6,000 people? That's massive. That's an accomplishment. Why did the computer freeze? Okay, first trade in the book sucks. What's gold doing? Gold is looking for shorts. So I'm going to watch for that. There's gold taking a short. That's on the algo, Sim 102. Just sold from the top and made another 3 grand. Wow, good job. Let's give a bell to that. Quietly. Quiet bell. Sold another 5. Don't want to bother my son in the other room. What is NQ? NQ is going to be looking for long trades after 9:36. Wow, that was a dump. $32, shorted 37. Let's get down to 25. $36.46 I cover. Actually, I'll cover and change sides. Let's get back up to previous close. 46. I'm long at 48.50. 46. I wanted to get up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 53. 53 on the offer. Serious. Okay, this is going to be a bad day. Good morning. $25. $27 is good, but fill me on 4 would have been nice. Let's get below 25. Still didn't fill my 2050s. I don't get it straight. Wait for something better. Oof, I'm all red. I see people smiling. It's usually the case. If I'm losing, they're making. If I'm making, they're losing. Let's try and get in for a 4 lot at a better price again. 27, 28, somewhere. Oh, wow, that filled me past the 28. Wow. This is going to be a hard day to digest. Where is the Asia session low? 21,436. There's definitely manipulation in that candle. Yeah, we did take out the open. We opened lower, see, close to the gap this time. So it was a small gap, got filled instantly, got taken, almost like yesterday, got taken, traded above the previous day's high, and then came lower. Didn't we do exactly that yesterday? Yep, traded over the close, over the high, and then came lower. Traded lower for a long time after that. This I don't need anymore. That's it. Crazy, crazy, and then it just dies down. Everyone's gone home. $18. Let's get 11. 11 bid. Give me a sec, fishing man. Mr. Mario. Let me just try and get 11 bid on this trade. Let me put it in. Buy limit. 12.50. Let's see it sink. 18.22, 32. I got to get out. If I see 32, let's get down to 11, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. Ooh, that was fast. There we go. Finally, a little bit of green. I love the 15-minute candle, 6 minutes before close. Sometimes because it'll push in one direction, then I'll sell the opposite or buy the opposite. Yeah, you often see that kind of manipulation before a candle closes. That is true. I see it on the 1 minute also. A little bit before it closes. Right now I'm going to buy it because it weighs so much down after it went up. It has to go. Well, it doesn't have to do anything. Anything can happen. You're thinking it'll go up. It's likely to go up, you may say, probabilistically. Wow, gold's doing that shitty pattern again. Up 900 now. 32, 28, 18. I'll probably be taking a short at 18. Apex, apex. Pushing up, like Florida guy said, like Mario said. 520 to 550. That's a 30-point move already. I read that wrong. I read that as my order was filled 1400 years ago. I don't know why my brain did that, but it did. That's funny. I would have tried to get filled at 41 there, but couldn't. We're running again here along at the previous day's close. I'm not too eager for that. It's doing another strong run again, eh? Happy, happy. Happy's good. Yeah, you do. I mean, I guess it depends on how long you want to take to pass. Obviously, that's part of the equation. But the other part of the equation is how much drawdown you have. Not so much the target. You gotta, in my opinion, you gotta focus on the drawdown. That's what makes those larger accounts harder to pass. Hmm. And I'm just giving you. You're doing it all on your own. Just general guidelines. Rules of thumb. Did I just see PA flash? Shouldn't be. Sim 101 and Sim 102 are in trades. General rules of thumb. After that, you have to mold it and make it your own. 67. Let's see if the trade triggers. Hey, gold finally got out at a decent one, and Q is long. 67, trade triggered. Let's see if we can get in at a better price. Okay, cool. We're in with a 4 lot at 66. Trade triggered at 67. First stop, 73. 74, actually. Okay, fill me for the 2 lot. No, don't come back down. You were right there, buddy. Don't do that. I got to reduce the risk because I should have gotten out there. I got to still hope it takes me out. Okay, close. 74, 467. We got the previous day's high there. That's consigned because it went very fast. Will go down now. I don't know if you understand this, but on the 15 minutes creating an M, it already created 2 weeks, so we should have a price pushed down to 21,399. Yeah, I was thinking somewhere like that, and 399. Yeah, that's the London lows. I'm thinking the Asian lows are going to get swept for sure, though. Well, for sure, 80%, 437. Let's see if we can get in for a 2 lot again at 69. And at what price? 74, 1, 2, 3, 4, 67 at 60. I'll add. Yeah, even 62. 67, 68, 70. Yeah, I'll take that. don't even have my positions. Okay, cool. So everything did well on that. Are we going to break the 15-minute opening range? It does look like it. Hey. Hmm. Gold strength sim 102. Can sim 102 recover? It's a decent trade here for a 2 lot, maybe. Or maybe even a 3 lot. Low risk. Let me try a 2 lot right here at the previous close. See what we get. I'll add down around. I just sold from the top. Me too. I want to sell at the top. I need to go back up. What just happened? Got one of those rug pulls that always go against me. Try, try and get out of that trade. That was a weird candle. Hmm. Yeah, I call it the vibrations of NQ. Goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down. You got to try and get in sync with it. Let's see if we get another trade to trigger at 64, 74. I like it because it's almost like I'm trading NFP every day. Okay, trade triggered. Let's see if we can get in at a better price under 74, 76, 79. That's 5 points already. Not going to give me a chance. Damn. Damn. It's too bad I missed that one. Double streaming. So how do I know which stream I'm on? Yeah. What do we got on the Sims? 101, 102, 101, down 75, 102. Wow, down 304. So gold's not really doing well at all, eh? I think gold needs to be trading it when the markets are quieter. Let's see if this one can pull out about $100. Looks like it's an area where I could go up or down. I'm gonna wait a bit. Yeah, there's also news at 10. Just so you guys know. Okay, that's similar to took a winner. Ba-da-loom. Hmm. Yes, Mario, it does seem like every time it makes a move after news, it does reverse. That really does seem to be a repeatable pattern. I won't say 100%, but I know what you're looking at. I get it. Okay, 5 minutes away, so I guess we'll just hang tight. Yeah, I have two twin boys, and but they're adults, but they're kids. They're my kids. Two twin boys and a girl. 22 for the girl, 25 for the boys. That's so funny. Two boys, one girl, too. Yeah, what chip? I know. 3 minutes news. Gonna hang tight. You know what? I think I am going to disable the strategies just before the news. They're not in trades. I don't want to. You know what? The news sometimes can make a mockery of the A's. They're not meant to handle that kind of speed of price change. When I was making the kids, I wasn't thinking. I was reacting. I was enjoying. Lordy, 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 lordy. I did, I did. I don't know if you hear me. Think so? 20 seconds. Wow, no kidding. That's interesting. So now I'm going to watch the spread. Going to wait for the spread to get under a point. Wait for the market to stabilize a bit. Wow, I'm really surprised that gold is taking a beating on the algo. I didn't think that would happen at all. Okay, so I reinitiated the algos. The spreads, we all got 2 months. 2 minds, 2 heads. Yeah, reinitiated the algos. The spreads have come back down to half a point, 3/4, so that's good. What do you use to check breaking? I'm not sure what that means to check breaking. Hey, where's the 5-minute chart? Yep, I see. I see in 3 minutes we have a potential candle close on the 5-minute chart over the 15-minute range. Let's try an entry here at 09. Get out a piece at 15 if we can, which is 6 points. Having a hard time getting out of my trades. Should be market. There we go. And then let's go into the 20s. 20, 21. There we go. There we go. Another little bit out. Get on the positions page. Make sure that the copy is still working right. If you mean to check for breakouts, what do I use? If that's what you mean, I don't really trade breakouts. I trade continuation after retracement on a trend. But I use the Renko charts mostly. But I'm always just looking to see. I'm always. The news. Oh, I just checked the bid and ask spread on the. Wait a minute. I think to know if they're breaking news, I use Forex Factory. Or no, my FX book, the calendar, the economic calendar. Okay, I think that's what you meant. What do I use to check for breaking news? Gotcha. M 101 is long. Let's see again if I can get a better price. Two lot. I got it. I'll take 20 on that. I used to use Fairfax for like 8 years. Yeah, I used to use it too. I am, if you hear me. Just say that again. Have you been to the United States? Am I winning or losing? We'll find out after we take the trade. Yeah, I've been to the States many times. I used to go to Florida every year for like 20 years in a row. Sparky, was that you? Algorithm hustlers. Okay, at least the Sim 101 is climbing higher. Oh, always Fort Lauderdale. Occasionally Miami. Actually, we started with Miami in the beginning for about, let's say, 5 years, and then it became Fort Lauderdale all the time. It's been a long time. I haven't been there. This is going back. I have family in West Palm Beach, Boca Raton. Yeah, there's a lot of nice places in Florida. Geez, that's somewhere I'd want to be. Yeah, that's somewhere I'd like to see. That's on my bucket list. The Florida Keys. My great story from Florida is driving down Alligator Alley with my brother, and he started to get bleeding in his stomach, and we were like in the middle. We were in the middle of nowhere. That was pretty scary. He was bleeding out of his bum. Just randomly, it happened like that. Luckily, a cop came by and kind of escorted us to the nearest hospital, but it took a while. I think we were right in the middle of Alligator Alley. It was some kind of perforation in his what do you call it, the intestines or whatever. I don't know how he got that. Stayed in the hospital there for a couple of days, and then we ended the trip and came back home. Stayed in the hospital here too. They actually quarantined him. They didn't know what it was, what the final diagnosis was. I don't remember, but yeah, I remember he was quarantined. And, I mean, like again, it's a long time ago, and my parents came to see him, of course, because he went right to the hospital, and the door there, quarantine, you can't go in. Shit, they panicked. It's natural. It's your kid. All I did was tell him when he got out of the hospital, "You're such a fucker. You ruined our trip," because it was me and him only. We were in our 20s. But never came back. I don't even remember what they did, if they sealed it with surgery or what. I really don't remember. It was a long time ago, but yeah, never came back. That I know. So that's a good thing. Yeah, my 20s were good. No, I don't know, unless I had a blade in it. Yeah, they'll tell you it's that spicy. Yeah. I don't know. I'm a spicy food guy. I like spicy food. Let's see. Do I want to take a short right here just above previous day's high? I'm going to get clipped. Holy shit. Yeah. Come on, eat the pepper. It'll be funny. You'll stop breathing. And bullion gold. I have memory of the 20s. Made myself mostly going to clubs. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's when I also did most of my fishing. Mario. In my 20s and my 30s and my teens. That's what it was. It was clubs, fishing, and horse racing. And a little bit casinos, because we were just starting to get the casinos over here. We had what do we have? We had like these mobile casinos. Look at that bounce right off the previous day's high. I do, I do, but I haven't updated it in a while. My TikTok. I haven't really added content. I'm trying to do it more on YouTube when I have time. TikTok, Twitter. The links are in description. I think they work. Yeah, I heard you. The shorts also, not just the format. Yeah, I don't like that. Okay. I don't know. I post shorts, it gets 4 views. Yeah, coders you can find short. No, not in a long time because it seemed to be a waste. Maybe I'll try again. Joker Trades. Good morning, Joker. You're not streaming this morning, Joker. I checked. It was upcoming. Concentrating more on trading, maybe. Yeah, I heard that, Omnis. I heard those numbers. That's good. Those are better numbers. Yep. Much better than just 4 or 5 views. Yeah, I was doing that. I was creating them on TikTok and moving them onto YouTube. I heard that's frowned upon, though, from YouTube. I don't know. I guess they check somehow. What? Interesting. I know on Twitter you can post in groups, but I think it's one at a time or just one. I don't know. When I try to post it to multiple groups, I get this is a repeat post. One day you'll have to show me how to do that. If you type in the same name as my name on TikTok, Fish and Slot Floor, the page will come up, and from there you can have my number so we can communicate. You have your phone number on TikTok? Really? Am I going to get flamencoed again on another gold trade every time I'm able to pick this where it crosses the bands and it's only a 1 bar? No, I don't know if I understood. Fish in Florida, he said, type in his name and his page will come up with his number. I've built about 8 trading models. Don't have a coder to do them. Yeah, that's what's that site where you can get them? I forgot. Elance or something. Look for someone who charges 25, $50. That's about the best. But if they're simple, you can code them with Strategy Builder for Ninja. Okay, I'm gonna reverse this. Oh, you're right. I'm not even thinking. Yep, I'm gonna be coding some Python script with ChatGPT. Yeah, no. Better advice from Omnius. Use ChatGPT. It'll walk you through the process. I forgot about that, but that's it. Yeah, Chat. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna try and get some streams going through the night with my automated strategy for NQ, but I don't want to run it like starting at. Wow, look at this! I don't want. You gotta be kidding me! This like never happens except when I enter. Oh, I'm. No, don't ask. Gold. Don't ask. Yeah, don't ask. This is an anger trade. Too late. Too late. I'm committed. Yeah. Okay. Mm, I don't know. I think I'm watching an account that's going to go bye-bye. It's a eval, but this is going to be a back to the drawing board kind of a day. No, don't do that. Hmm. What I'm in? I'm in gold. I need a hero. Miracle. Sim 101 is long. I got some back. I want one more dollar out of this. I've been greedy. There we go. Let's get one more dollar. It's another 140. 68. Let's see if we can get 69. Even 68.7. Come on, 68.3. 5. Getting a little higher. 6, 7. Fill me at 7, 6, 5, 6, 3, 4. Went back the wrong way. 6. Oh, got back up there. 6. Wow, it goes from 8.6 to 8.2 in a blink of an eye. I think that's why the algo does poorly. Too many air pockets. This is a winning trade. I won't say I'm winning. Uh, okay, I'll take your advice. Goodbye. Trade closed. Let me uh, let me reevaluate. Wow, never. Any viewers? Any names you recognize? Oh, okay. Yeah, Trader TV is Sean and Neil. They're famous. Oh wow! So they do it in both formats. Interesting. Yeah, you guys have similar styles. Hmm. Yeah. My water. I haven't had any water. Sim 101 is long. Yeah. All right, let's go. NQ. Pulling out a good trade on the algo. Might even turn the sim account green. Does it? Yeah, 52.10. Cool. We're getting up there. Okay, 16. Let's see if we can get a better price. 14. We're in with a two lot. 2 points better. Actually, 5 points better. And '07, I can add to this trade. Let me improve my price. There we go. Now we're looking for 23 on the offer. 23 on the offer. 20. Hey, come on, don't stop at 20. 18, 16, 17, 15, 14. You're going the wrong way. We wait. We're not in a rush. You don't want to go right away. I wait. There we go. 21. 21. I'll take the 21. Where are you getting that from? Okay, I moved another account into green. One left. Let me try and get back in on this trade. If it gets under 16, maybe it goes to 12. I'll try. 15 bid, 14. Man, looks like 21,697 might get hit. I'll take a look at that level. Fishing. Mario. Mm, Mario. That's like, oh, Mario Kart. I was saying, where am I getting that? Oh, yeah. Mario is looking at 21,700 potentially. Let's take a look if I see that on. Yeah. Okay, initial balance coming into play soon. Initial balance coming into play. 14. 14's not really a good entry. That would have been 7 points. 1820, I guess that entry at 14 would have been good. Is it good if it gives it to me again? I'm thinking they're going to push one big ass candle up to it. Yeah, that's how the market moves, man. From one big ass candle to the next, and then it takes its time. And you just got to hope that that's when you entered. Mario. Oh shit, this one went to 23. So 14, that's it for me. Stopped out. Stopped out. Stopped out. Is that what it says? It's me, Mario. Yeah, I think you're right. Oh, gold. Shit. I had a big position in gold. It's too bad I let it go early. I'm never good at holding for the big moves. Got to work at that. Mm, yep. That's odd. Why is my NQ not long on Sim 101? Or did it go out of the trade? You're above you up. There we go. I just what's going on? What's going on with my positions? I'm confused. I'm very confused. I don't know. It's I don't know what I saw. I saw I saw my algo not have a position and then go long, and then the long just disappeared. I don't know. I'm not watching it close enough. I'll have to trade it on market replay and see if it's fucking up. Gold also should kind of be long here. Oh, it's true. I'm not on in 102. Let's put it on 102. No, gold's not long either. I don't know. My strategies just stopped working. If you open up the charts on the 50-minute, you'll see that price drops down with one candle through that area on May 29th. So those candles, so there should be the consolidating heavy pullback. Let's take a look at the 15-minute. May 29th. Yep. You were saying 21,700, eh? 697. Yeah, I like those. I like the ones, I like resistance. It's actually been resistance before, not support before. I'm not a fan of saying that this is going to be support because it was resistance before. I like to see these areas that get crushed. Yeah, that is definitely an area that's could potentially be worth fading. I see it. I see it. Why isn't my gold algo long? It's supposed to be. Oh, wait a minute. Gold. What time did I stop it? 10:46. No, it's not 10:46 yet. Okay, don't know why. Too bad. It would have been a good gold trade. It would have been a good long. I don't know why I didn't get in. Well, we got the previous day's high as support, 21,576, 14 points under where we're trading right now. Gold's a potential trade over here. $71.6 maybe. I didn't get filled in gold. Shit, that would have been $100 right there. Okay, trade triggered. Let's get on a better price than 02. Better price than 02. Get back down. No. Okay, we're in with a 4 lot. Take peace out, reduce the risk. We got it 04, 9, that got filled at 2. Well, a little bit, I got filled a little bit worse. It's right back down. It's going to be another little move. Right now I want it to go up to 16-bit. Come on, 16-bit, quick push. Let me catch the mood that Mario's going to catch. Me, yeah. Long Nasdaq. Oh, yeah. 16. I just want 16 on the offer. 12. 11. 12. 13. 14. 16 and a quarter. There we go. That's what I wanted. That's it. I'm done. I'm out. I'm out. Only future. Super bullish. Yeah. Super bullish, but I have 2 PAs that are red. OFT. I'm very sad. Half red, half green. I got 1 PA that's up 435, and I got 2 Apex accounts up. 1 Apex account that's down. I don't know. Honestly, it's kind of like break-even trading. And why the fuck is my gold algo not taking any more trades anymore? Starting to get frustrated. That means it's time to stop trading, right? Are we under VWAP? Ah, we're under VWAP. You fucking moron, Mike. I put in a fucking VWAP filter and I forgot about it. Pretty happy for the day, did I really can't win. I thought you were doing great, actually, OFT. I saw a big smile on your face. And I don't know if you read my comment there. When you were talking about the equipment getting stolen, about my brother. He was in a band, and I don't remember the exact story, but anyways, their equipment also got stolen. He had a theory it was a friend of his. Either he gave his friend the key for like a little while, and I don't know. I remember there was a small broken window, but it didn't even make sense. The broken window. Yeah, it's very expensive, that the band equipment, eh? It's worth a lot of money. Getting a little bounces, but we're kind of trading. I don't know if I'm looking at NQ here. Oof, I don't get easily mentally stressed from trading these days. Yeah, lost around 10 quick equipment. Shit, damn. Well, my next question to you will be the same question that my dad asked my brother. Was it insured? My brother had insurance on his equipment and he lapsed it. He didn't pay it. NQ will sweep shorts out soon. Yeah, but we're looking here in the lows. Each low is kind of a little bit lower. I can kind of see. I can kind of see this happening. Yeah, I think I have. I hope so. I hope for you. Yeah. Yeah, I kind of marked that in Omnius on the 1 minute. That flag. It's probably more obvious on the 5 minute. Yeah. 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 If you said you got out, I'm getting in. Nah, I need a setup. I need a setup. These shorts are sweating now. Yeah, well, they should be. They they should be. Let's look at the daily. Let's remind ourselves what the daily is doing. That's the daily chart right there. 16,500, 21,600. That's a big move. Time to eat. Take care, OFT. Enjoy your supper. That's a big move, and that keeps me grounded on where we're going. We do have a couple of levels that really sent price lower quickly. 21,820 was one. Happened over here in November, and then swiftly happened over here again. Watch that level. That's about 200 points away. But then the 22,300 level. Anyways, that's neither here nor there. That's for another day. Gold 1046. Gold is done, right? We're after 1046, and we're above the bands but below VWAP. Uh, I mean, it is long for me. We broke the little trend line that I drew there, but that's not why I would be getting in long. I need a retrace. I get in with the retrace and then a confirmation move back up. We didn't really get enough of a pullback on the charts that I'm tracking. Yeah, no, I know. But I use these charts here, the white ones. So I need a black bar and then a blue bar. The last black bars we got were like at 10:35. That's like 11 minutes ago. I need a new one to form. I'm a Lego block trader. Just got out 1300. Yes. Oh yeah. Where's butter stunts? We gotta get using the oh yeah. All wins on all three accounts. Good job. I thought I read it again fast wrong. All wins in 3 seconds. Somehow my brain read it quickly like that. So I'm bringing water here. My wife wants me to drink water. I bring this big jug of water and I don't touch it. I just look at it like it's an ornament. It's a decoration on my counter. That's good. Scalp. There, I took a little water. Okay, we didn't get above the initial balance. Okay, phone call time. Give me a second. If I forget to turn my mic back on, remind me when you don't see my phone anymore. Okay, see, I remembered to put the mic back on. Very good. Hoo ha, hoo ha. Nice move up. Who caught that move up? I know Omnius, I think, caught that move up. Part of it, at least. And that's what it's about, catching part of it. Oh, yeah. 6 points. Hmm. Mario. The, no, I'm not taking any open range. Not the 15, not the initial balance. I kind of like the retest trade. That's my favorite one. Like right now, we're breaking the initial balance. If we get a little bit higher and then we retest it, but it's not one of my bread and butter trades. If I kind of catch it and I'm aware of it and nothing's going on, I might take it. It's not one of my regular trades though. And we are breaking IB right here, the IB high. Just got into a small sell. Oh, no kidding. A small sell. It's funny. I'm reading the chat and I'm saying just got into a. I got like I said, I'm reading the chat here and it says just got into a small cell, but I'm saying it on the mic. People are going to think, hey, what do you mean he got into a small cell? He didn't get into a small cell. There's nothing on my screen. Mario got into a small short. I should. Yeah. Oh my God. Nobody watches. Nobody watches. I put on my. I actually have a couple of fake videos and pictures. Nobody. Nobody even notices when I put that shit on. Okay. Coffee break. Are you doing any opening range breaks on ES or all in NQ? The only reason why I asked about ES, only reason why I asked about ES. On top step there for Gahog, I think his name was the older guy, the older trader. Wow. Okay. Yeah, that's the thing I hate about coding. Well, there was the IB high retest at 39, let's say. Do we get up to 49 for 10 points, which is what Trades by Matt usually does? If he still does it, I don't even know. So I shouldn't say what he does, I should say what he did. Mm. Mm. There's the 10 points. Yes, up, now down. Kids are breaking things. Okay, get out my Chinese balls. Where are they? That's 2 days I got off to a bad start. Yeah, don't need gold up anymore. Let's get in Q up. Mm-hmm. They do. They do. They do. I go what? Too early. Too early to be hungry and thirsty. But yeah, when I take 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 points, It does add up. Yeah, lunch is 12 o'clock. Yeah. Whoa. That's a late breakfast. Moving higher. Moon 7, yeah, Mario. Looks like it. Let's see what happens when we touch it. Well, still didn't get a pullback that I could have entered on. Look, just a bunch of blue candles on those blocks. Gold is done. I'm looking for gold. Ugh. Mm. It's funny you mentioned that because yeah, I've noticed those numbers are odd lately. I don't get it. I don't know. Maybe I think they said that again, so they're changing their algorithm for the views. They may just be counting someone who an impression of your thumbnail because I know OFT. He has a little bit. He's got more subscribers, around 320. Yeah, you'd see them, no, though, for a flash. Like if I go to your thing now, like you have three watching. It says you would see it would go to four, five, then oh no, the regular. Yeah, I saw it. I clicked on it. I used it. It worked. Why did you say though one's a short stream, one's a long stream? I didn't get that though. You mean your long trades? No, you mean the size of the picture? Ah, okay. Landscape and portrait. I thought you meant your long trades are going to be on this one, and on the phone one, I thought you meant the phone you were only going to take short trades. And I'm saying, how are you managing to only show your short trades on the on that stream? Yeah, but you got the same charts. I wasn't getting it. I'm looking at them. Yeah, I've even heard one person call it long and short. uh, no, no, it's not the format. It's the duration. The shorts, they have to be under 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Now, now they've extended it. It could be longer, but it's like the dollar store. It used to be under $1, and now things are $10 in there. But yeah, shorts. The name shorts came up because it was under a minute or under 2 minutes. No, I'm just saying originally the name came out. TikTok, yeah. Nothing to trade here. Shit, damn. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The phone, it's full screen. Yeah. No, no, no. I just mean it fills up the entire phone. If I go on the phone, it'll fill up the entire phone. Yeah, yeah. Mm. Give me the link. Quick. Angelina Jolie. Okay, so what? Sim 101 is long, 5 lot. Let's see, what account do I want to trade? Should I just leave that PA alone and well, yeah, same thing like when I was doing TikTok. I was just trying things out, seeing how it works. Oof, don't want this water. Okay, I'm going to take a break. There we go. I'll be back in a minute. Hmm. There you go. Now it's fixed. Thank you. I didn't even know how many times that happens. Did you see when I changed the video? I put on a video of me in a green sweater. We went to the bathroom at the same time. Are you looking at my stream? I did, I did. But you're looking at my stream? Okay, so yeah, there's a delay I think for you, but here watch how it switches. Give it a sec. Oh, hold on. There we go. Sorry, I made a mistake. There we go. I made a mistake. Yeah. Nobody notices. Yeah, I'm gonna use it for. I'm gonna try a night stream. Yeah, I saw someone streaming all doing a whole a stream right through the night with like an algo, and I'm watching him, and I'm saying, "Holy shit, that's a looping video." He only did like 15 seconds or something, but I said, "Wow, you don't think about it really. You just think someone's there, and people stick around more when they see a person rather than when they just see a chart." So, nah, no talking. You can't talk if you're looping because you'll say the same thing over and over. Ah, yeah, I've seen that too. Yeah, Mario. Okay, same. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of that, but I guess it's okay. Yep, yep. There's all kinds of streams out there. There's streams where they don't show themselves but they talk, and there's streams where they don't show themselves and they don't talk. This coffee is delicious. Yeah. You'll get there. You just gotta put in the work. Joker's live. Yep. You just went in his channel. Okay, because his watch count went up. Mm. Does he not? Future scalper doesn't show himself? I don't remember. I'm curious about that. I'm gonna go take a look. Streamers, future scalper. He's live right now. I think you're right. No kidding. There's just a little picture in the bottom. Right. No kidding. I never even paid attention. Yeah, like a thumbnail, whatever, yeah. Ah, I never showed you my picture. Oh, hold on, I might get a. I made a picture, a face swap. Hold on. 72. Let me see if I can get in at a better price. Hold on. What? Oh, I don't have anything. I don't know what I have. Subscribe. It's not even in the right place anymore. Looks like. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I gotta figure out how to put that there. Okay, let's see if we can get up to 79 bid, maybe run a little bit higher. Let's see, 72, 70, 71, 71, 71. Come on, break through that 71. Okay, that helped. $79 bid. That's what I need. In at 69 with a 4 lot. 76, 79. That's what I was asking for. No, get out of the 2 lot. Okay, I took it there too. 84, 83, 82, somewhere around there. Yeah, I got about 10.5 points. I don't even know what I got. I'm just talking out of my ass. Yeah. Okay, that was a good trade. I hope we all enjoyed. It's a miserable day for me. I don't know. I have three accounts that are red. Mm. Well, there's one difference. Oh, he's done. It's gone. Over. Joker is. Joker stopped streaming. That's it. He's gone. Yeah, he started about I think an hour ago. Yeah, Joker came on late and do I get back in here? 79 at 72. That sounds familiar. Antonio, how are we today? Lousy. Lousy, Antonio. I'm in a very bad mood. Algo or you? Well, yeah, the algo. The algo's got revised and uh, um, I don't know. It morphed into a monster. The algo is Sim 101. That's kind of a good one on NQ. It's the same one trading 102. I put it on gold, but it still needs tweaking. It's still a work in progress. And me, I don't know. I got 3 red accounts and 3 green accounts. Oh yeah, I keep forgetting about that 21,700. I don't know. Not a good. Not a. I don't know. I didn't follow my rules today as much as I should have. So I'm not happy. Take care, Omnius. Have a good day. User error. I'm not sticking around long. I gotta cut out in 6 minutes. Someone's coming to pick me up, going for a coffee. Drown my sorrows. Water them. Okay, Edemant. See you tomorrow. Ah, damn. Came in late. Yeah, late. I don't know. You getting back on later? I don't know. I might get on, depending on Joker. I think we're going to co-stream tonight at 8 or 8:30. But if you're asking about the afternoon, Antonio, no, I don't think so. I do trade the last 15, 20 minutes of the day, like 3:40 till 4. I should stream that, actually. There's a good long and short stream. Portrait, vertical. Yeah. Have a good day, Antonio. See if we can fix this in the next couple of minutes. We're getting a little bit of a retrace here, enough to get me into another long trade. It's funny when we break these trend lines, but yet we continue to slope up. It almost acts like regression when you get under, but still continue to trade up. That's kind of why I like the bands, because you can't get under the bands and continue to trade up. And you can't get above the bands and trade lower. Bands work nicer. They hold price better, at least for me. Well, there was Mario was talking about the 21,700 level, and I was kind of looking forward to seeing it get touched and see if we get pushed lower. We got within 15 points. Maybe there's going to be one more push towards it. If you're thinking that level is going to act as resistance, you could set up a fade trade. I'm not sure where you'd put your stop, though. I guess it depends on how you enter the trade. If you wait for a break of a low of the previous candle on the 1 minute, you can use the previous candle's high. If you use the level directly, I would use the ATR, which right now is very low at 9 points. Wow, it's surprisingly low volatility. I even forgot to check it today. That's discouragingly low volatility. At 11:30, only 9 points on the 1 minute chart. Data series. I'm thinking gold might benefit from a 15 brick size, especially for the algo. We're going to try that. I think it's going to contain price better. We'll see tomorrow. I'm going to run it tomorrow, not today. 11:29. Looks like it's quitting time. Remember that on the Flintstones? Wilma! I used to like the Flintstones. Okay, I don't think I see anything else here that's going to work for me in the next 10 seconds. So, yeah, gold isn't being traded. Let me just see where the view up is. Low. So, would have been so nice all morning, eh? Gold would have done well. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. Yeah, I don't see any other trades for me. So I think we're gonna call it a day here. Close up, like I said. Co-stream tonight, 8 o'clock, most likely with Joker Trades. And tomorrow also, I'll be back online 9:15 a.m. or earlier. That's it. Nothing else to see here. Watch the 21,700 level. If I check back in later, I'm going to want to see what we do off that level. So much so that I'm actually going to draw in a little purple line over there just to track it. Let's go to my strategies. Disable them. I got to make a few changes there. Orders. Cancel all orders. Positions. Flatten everything. And that's it. Okay, take care. See you guys soon.